So we've known for a long time that almost every mental health problem that we know of is associated with poor sleep. People who have symptoms consistent with insomnia are more vulnerable to going on to develop mental health problems like depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. However, we don't know exactly what it is about poor sleep that seems to make people vulnerable to mental health problems. Sleep deprivation might impair people's abilities to keep unwanted thoughts out of mind, which might give us good insight into why sleep problems often lead to mental health problems. So we tested this hypothesis in the lab, where we had participants come into the lab in the evening and they learned associations between faces and scenes. Then half of the participants slept overnight in the sleep lab, whilst the other half of the participants stayed awake all night. Then the following morning, we tested people's abilities to keep the scenes that they'd learnt the night before out of mind when cued with the corresponding faces. And what we found was that under conditions of sleep loss, the part of the brain that inhibits the memory retrieval process was less active, which led to reduced downregulation of activity in the hippocampus, causing people to be less effective at memory suppression under conditions of sleep loss. So these results might have really important implications for our understanding of why insomnia seems to be a major vulnerability factor to almost every mental health problem that we know of.